do the polar tracking or the line, angles, and circles. Alright, so we learned how to do lines and rectangles. So we're going to add circles to this. So for this assignment, it gives us all the lengths of all of the segments except for one. Then it gives us the angles between them. And so we will have to figure out through geometry some of the angles in order to draw this. I'm going to start with a line. I'm going to start at point A, and it says segment A to B is 94, so I'm going to choose 94. And that's pretty big, so I'm going to zoom in a little bit. And kind of close to this, I can move that so that it's kind of all right. Now from here, so the angle from here to the next one is 135, but that's not what it measures. It's measuring from here. So if this is 135, then 180 minus 135 is 45. And then from B to C is 40. Okay. And then it's 150 from here, but we want to know maybe from here. Let's see. 100. So if we use this, so this angle right here is 45. So that angle right there, sorry, no, this is 135. So that angle right there is 135. So we need to do 150. So we need to go 15 more. So that's 0. So we're going to just go at 15 degrees. And that's 150. So CD is 35 units long. And then we want 120 from here all the way to here. So again, if we do that there, so we know this is 15. So this is also 15. So we just need 105 degrees more from here. Well, there's 90 degrees more. So that's 90 plus 15. It's 105. So we need 15 more than that. So actually 15 less than 90. So it's going to be 75. And D to E is 57 units. And then we want 105 from here all the way to here. So we can just count 105. So that right there says it's 105. So that's 15. Every notch is 15. And if you're not doing the same as me, you can choose any one of these. I like the 15 increments, but you can choose whatever one you like. So I need to go 105 degrees. So we got, there's 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, and we need to go 15 more right there. Okay, and so from E to F is 87. And then we need to go 105 again. So if you use a calculator, a little bit easier. 105 divided 15 is 7 increments. So from here we go 1, 2, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 increments right there. And when we're done, we can check this by putting our dimensions in. So G to F or F to G is 61. And then we need to do 150. So right there, so this is 1, 2, 3. That's 45. So we need to go 100, let's see, 105 more. So 180 minus 105 is 75. 75 here, so I should do 360 minus. Oh, hold on a sec, I did that wrong. So 360 minus 45. I'm thinking. So 45, so we 105, that's right. So 360 minus 105 is 255. So we're going to go to 255. And that right there is 150. So G to H is 48. Type 48. And then now we're going to go 90 degrees. So this is 75. And to 165, subtract that, that's 90 degrees. H to J, 85. Then we need 60 degrees. 15, 30, 45, 60 right there. J to K, 53. And then of course we just connect these there. All right, and just looking at the basic shape, that looks correct. Maybe it looks a little bit goofy here. Let's double check the angle. So if we change our line to dimension line, and we can do angular, and let's make sure we have this. Okay, now you can't see that. And the reason why is because we're using millimeters. So if we zoom in here, we can see it's 135, but we don't want to have to zoom in every time. So if we go to annotation, standard measurements, or measurements, go to measurements, modify, and then let's do fit. Now we're usually doing inches, so that's a 1-to-1 ratio. But if we go to millimeters, that's a 25-to-1 ratio. Let's do set current and close. There we go. So that's 135, and we can move that to where it shows it kind of there. Then let's do some more. So this one from here to here needs to be 150, which it is. And from here to here needs to be 120. And from here to here should be 105, and it is. Here to here should be another 105. Good. So far, so good. From here to here should be 150. And it is. This should be 90. Good. And 60. And then the last one we just measured here. So another thing we can do, so the angles are right. Let's make sure I type my numbers in wrong. It looks right, I guess. It looks to be pretty accurate. All right, so now we got to draw some circles in here. So we can see one circle. Oh, let's see, I didn't draw this one correctly, so let's delete that. Let's draw another line from here to there. There we go. Oops. So for I don't want it. Dimension line. You got to watch out for those snaps. That snapped it right, not right on the edge. Got to watch it careful. Alright, so now we know directly up from this point is a circle with a diameter of 15. And how far up is it? Let's see. There for you. I think we're missing a dimension. So let me this up real quick. That's the same one. So let's go to that one. Oh, let's try one more spot. Let's see. Line. There it is. So if I look at this one here, so I need a dimension from here to there. So that's 24 units. So let's go back here. Drawing. So you go 24 units from here and draw a circle. We're on the object line. Okay. Go straight. So just put it here and then wait for a minute. Drag up so it lines straight up. We go 24 units. And we want a diameter. So right now it's asking us for a radius, so we can push D for diameter. And then we can type in 15 for our diameter. Then we can copy this. Go from the center, go straight over, and it is 81 units to the right. And that looks right. Good. Alright, so there we have, oh, but this circle is not 15 inches or 15 units in diameter. So we can code here, right. So by default is radius. We need to choose the diameter if we'd like. That's another way to do it. Here and just choose 17. And then we can get rid of that one. Guess we shouldn't have copied it, but okay. Got that. And then we can just draw a line. We can delete it later. This line needs to be 45 degrees, so there's 45. And we need to draw this 81 units. That's just going to give us the end point of our other circle. So once I draw the circle, I can get rid of this with a diameter of 19. So it's asking me for the diameter, specify the radius, or I can say D for diameter. Guess it's already, diameter is 19. Okay, now we can get rid of this. then 14 units 30 degrees from that is another one. So let's change that to diameter. Okay, that's good. So we want to go 30 degrees from this line. So there is 15, 30 degrees. Oh yeah, 30 degrees. Make sure I'm snapping on the right thing there. And it is 24 units down. We're going to draw, that's not what I wanted. Try that again. So I don't want to click on this circle. I should probably draw a line maybe. Might be easier. And if you remember, that was 255 degrees. That. Right, so yeah. So this line, we want 30 from that. Yeah, right there. And we'll go 24 units. Then we can copy this circle. The center to this endpoint here. And we can get rid of that. And then to find a line that's tangent to this circle and tangent to this circle. Best way to do that is hold the shift button, right mouse click, choose tangent. Then we're going to select that circle and do the same thing here, shift, right mouse click, tangent, and choose that circle. And then we can just offset by a distance of 19 over here. And then we can trim these right there. And there's our little elongated hole. And that's it. And if you just have these angles, that's fine. And then just plot it like we normally do. I'm not going to plot this one. I think you guys have the idea of how to plot this. If you don't, watch my previous videos. And so that's kind of small. We can change this. It's 58%. We want, let's try 25%. Let's try 10%. Oh, kind of small here. Okay. Yeah. That's probably okay. And you can change it however you like. That's probably good enough. But anyway, that's it.